Good morning students. Today we study again chapter 2 addition and subtraction. Yesterday we studied addition, now we study subtraction. Then 3748, 2435. Subtract. Then the bigger number is called minute, the smaller number is called subtrahend. Then the result of these two number is called difference. The result of the subtraction is called difference. Here the bigger, which is the here bigger number, 3748. This is called as minute, M-I-N-U-E-N-T, minute. This smaller number is called as subtrahend. Okay, then we subtract this number. 2435 is taken away from 3748. Then 5 taken away from 8, 3 taken away from 4, 1, 4 taken away from 7, 3, then 2 taken away from 3, 1. Then this is called difference. The bigger number is called minute, then the smaller number is called subtrahend, then the difference is, the result of two number is called difference. Okay, the subtracting result is called difference. Then we write a formula. Then minute, learn this, minute minus subtrahend is equal to difference. First formula again say, minute minus subtrahend is equal to difference. Again, minute minus subtrahend is equal to difference. Then minute minus difference is equal to subtrahend. Minute minus difference is equal to subtrahend. Then third formula, difference plus subtrahend is equal to minute. Again, difference plus subtrahend is equal to minute. Again repeat this formula. This formula also again repeat. Minute minus subtrahend is equal to difference. Minute minus difference is equal to subtrahend. Then difference plus subtrahend is equal to minute. All students understand? Then subtract. For example here, subtract 48,575 from 78,325. Question also again read. Subtract 48,575 from 78,325. Here which number is here bigger? Which number is here bigger? 78,375. Then you Listen, look here, which word come here? From. This means the second number write in first. This means the second number write in first. According to place value you write ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Then the second number write in first. This is the bigger number. Then you write in ones place. Start with the ones place. 5, 2, 3, 8, 7. Here 5, 7, 5, 8, 4. Then subtract this number. Okay, we start with the ones place. We start with the ones place. 5 take away from 5. 5 take away from 5. What do you get? I have 5 toffees. Then these 5 toffees I eaten. Then how many toffees left me? 0. Yes, 5 take away from 5. We get a 0. Okay. Then 7 take away from 2. This is possible? No. This is not possible. I have 2 toffees. How to give 7 toffees me? No. This is not possible. We take borrow. We take borrow. We take borrow from next digit. Okay. Understand? 7 take away from 2. This is not possible. Then we take, in this situation, we take borrow from next digit. Then we take borrow. We take 10. Then this cut 2. Then this go to already 2. Then 10 also add 12. Understand? Then now we 7 take away from 12. 7 take away from 12. Then what do you get? 5. Okay. Next, 5 take away from 2. This is possible. You have 2 toffees. You don't give, it is not possible to give 5 toffee. This is possible? No. Again we take borrow. Then this number goes to 7, retain 7, this 12. Understand? Then 5 take away from 12. 5 take away from 12. Again we get 7. Next, 8 take away from 7. This is possible? No. This is not possible. Again we take borrow. Again we take borrow. Here go this 6, this 17. Okay. Then now 8 take away from 17. How much you get? 9. Then here 4 take away from 6. Then you get 2. Then what is your answer? 29,750. Then another example. Subtract 48,325 minus 29,314. Check also. Check or verify. Check also. Check your answer. Check your answer. Here big number is 48,325. Here 29,314. Then minus. Then Again 4 take away from 5, you get 1. Then 1 take away from 2, you get again 1. 3 take away from 3, you get 0. Then 9 take away from 8. This is not possible. You take a borrow. Yes, here 18, here 3. Now 9 take away from 18, you get a 9. 2 take away from 3, 1. Then check also. What is the formula of a check? Difference. We get the minute. What is the formula we put? Difference plus subtrahend. Which is our, this is our minute. This is our subtrahend. This is our difference. First we check. Here I check. Check. Okay. First we write the difference. What is the difference? 19,011. Then subtrahend 29,314. Then add this number. Then what do you add? 1 plus 4, 5. 1 plus 1, 2. 0 plus 3, 3. 9 plus 9, 18. Carrying 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. Look here. This is our minute. We get the minute. This both answer is same. Your answer is correct. Then change your answer, the minute. This minute and this sum is change. Your answer is wrong. Understand? All students understand? Yes. Now simplify. Properties of subtraction. Subtraction factors. First we study subtraction facts. First, subtracting 0 from a number. Subtracting 0 from a number. Subtracting 0 from a number. Suppose 4,375 minus 0. What is your question? 4,375 minus 0. We get 4,375. Understand? Then again 348 minus 0 is equal to 348. What is the property here? 0 subtract from any number. 0 subtract from any number, we get the number itself. We get the number itself. Here we prove this. 4,375 minus 0 is equal to 4,375. Then 348 minus 0 is equal to 348. We have proved this. Yes. Next, subtract a number itself. Subtract from the number itself. Again, 4,375 minus 4,375. Subtract from a number itself. Okku the number. This. What is your answer? 0. We get a 0. 7 minus 7, we get a 0. 1 lakh minus 1 lakh, we get a 0. Then 78 minus 78, we get a 0. Next, subtraction 1 from a given number. Any 1 from any number. Then you get the predecessor of the number. Then 545 minus 1. you get 544. This is the predecessor of 545. Understand these facts? Then simplify also. Look here all students. 37,148 plus 22,150 minus 15,248. Okay. Here two signs are come here. Two operations. First addition, second subtraction. First addition, second subtraction. First we do these two number we add. First we these two number add. Yes, 37,148, 22,150. Add these two number. Understand? 8, 9, 2, 9, 5. Then we write this answer here. The sum right here. 59,298 minus 15,248. Understand? 8 minus 8 take away from 8 or 8 minus 8 0. 9 minus 4 or 4 take away from 9 5. 2 take away from 2 0. 5 take away from 9 4. 1 take away from 5 4. This is our final answer. Understand? Then solving the problems. There are 5,48,300 people in a city. $3,15,855 are men. Then how many women in a city? In a city. Find the number of women in a city or how many women in a city. First you read total given. There are 5,48,300 people. First statement we write total number of people. Total number of people is equal to 5,48,300. Then number of men. Number of men is equal to 3,15,855. Then what asked in question? How many? Yesterday we discussed that WH words are not come in statement. What are the what, how many, find, how much? These words are not come in statement. Then we write this. Total number of people is 5,48,300. Number of men is 3,15,855. You find the number of women. What do? Subtract. Then 5 take away from 0. This is possible? No. You take borrow. Here also 0. you go in next digit, then this go 2, this go 9, this go 10. 5 take away from 10, 5, then 5 take away from 9, 4, 8 take away from 2, this is possible? No, you take borrow 12, 4, then 5 take away from 7, 2, 1 take away from 4, 3, 3 take away from 5, 2. What do you write? The number of women is equal to 2,32,445. Then final answer, hence 2,32,445 women in a city. Women are in a city. Okay, understand? Thank you. Here write some homework. You do this in fair notebook. Okay, thank you.